Welcome to Power Cloud Reporting's Quick View video series featuring some of the powerful features of Power Cloud Reporting. Statistical units, integrating Blackbaud's Financial Edge NXT statistical unit accounts within your financial reports to provide a more in-depth detailed analysis of your organization's financial position. Power Cloud Reporting is a web add-in that integrates Microsoft Excel with Financial Edge NXT. Power Cloud Reporting provides many advanced features for creating the reports you need to manage your nonprofit organization more effectively. One of the many powerful features of Power Cloud Reporting is the ability to create reports that combine both actuals and statistical account data to perform instant analysis based on statistical information that you maintain within Financial Edge NXT. Charts and graphs provide a visual display of your organization's performance. Save time preparing complex reports for your board and stakeholders. Statistical units provide a more in-depth view of your projects and your grant's performance. Drill down capabilities provide access to the underlying data, including source transactions in FENXT. Information provided in an easy-to-read, understandable format. The sample report being shown includes a combination of actual expenses by project, along with the associated statistical account values for those projects. Power Cloud Reporting provides the flexibility to not only include statistical accounts within reports, but also allows for evaluating those statistical accounts for any time period. After running reports, Power Cloud Reporting gives you access to detailed transactions through drill-down capabilities. Not only can you view the transactions that make up the totals on the report, but you also can drill down to source transaction records within Financial Edge NXT, providing you with optimal insight into your organization's finances. Drill down to the journal entry batch, the accounts payable invoice, the general ledger account, or project record for further information. You can also drill down to the statistical unit transactions. And just as it is with the journal entry batch, you can drill down to the source transaction entries for statistical units in Financial Edge NXT. Adding charts and graphs to your prepared reports provides your board and stakeholders with a fast, at-a-glance analysis into the organization's finances. Thank you for watching this video series covering just one of the many powerful features provided by Power Cloud Reporting. For more information, please contact your Capital Business Solutions team member or visit us on the web